So majorly when we are working over the thoracic area, we tend to avoid going straight 90 degree because of the one of the most important consideration that we have is our lungs. But when I'm doing for the infraspinatus, I know this sitting on the bone. So anyway, I'm not going to hit and reach the intercostal space and hit the pleura or the lungs. So that's why I can actually go 90 with the infraspinatus, but you need to take care and see if the person does not have any scapular dyskinesia or scoliosis. So your palpation of the bone should be right. It's not like you assuming कि यहाँ पर इंफ्रा होगा, but अगर उसको scapular dyskinesia है, तो तुम जाकर इंटरकॉस्टल स्पेस को जाकर हिट कर सकते हो. Now for the infraspinatus, one is straight 90. There are two angles that you can use, or you can go towards the inferior angle this way 45 degree, or you can go towards the insertion point. All the three directions are correct for infraspinatus. This way. What I like to do for infraspinatus, because it doesn't have any clinical consideration, so I like to go straight 90 degree, hit on the trigger point. I don't like to deviate it. Now for the supraspinatus, it's a very small muscle, flat muscles. You have to actually dig in the fossa to reach the fossa. And if you go upward, you will be more on the trapezius muscle. Again 25 mm and hit into the muscle. Usually we just find one or maximum two trigger point for the supraspinatus because it's a very small muscle. Then for the rhomboids, minor and the major, you need to be careful first. There's important clinical consideration when we are doing for the rhomboids, major or the minor, because now we are not over the bone. We're close to the spine. Though you have ribs over there, but you also have in between the two ribs, that is your intercostal space. But that's why you should not hit directly straight 90 degree. Always, again, we have two directions for the rhomboids. One is towards the medial border. Second is, this is the direction of the muscle only. This is how the muscle is traveling. The second is the inferior angle, like this way. Both are correct. So one you can do towards the medial border of the scapula, keeping the angle at 45 degree, and insert it in. This way, or you can go in this direction, again 45 degree angle in the inferior direction. Both the directions are correct. You can find out your favorite. That's how we will do for the infraspinatus, rhomboids major, rhomboids minor, and supraspinatus. Clear? Any doubt? Only one. This is easy. Infraspinatus. Just with the supraspinatus, your palpation should be good, and with the rhomboids major and the minor, you need to take care about the angle. Don't hit it straight. Practice all those muscles.